Today we're diving deep into a topic that might just save you from a world of trouble. That's right, we're talking about the 7 types of people who are downright dangerous to move together with. Whether you're considering a new roommate, a travel buddy, or a business partner, knowing these personalities could be the key to avoiding disaster. Number 1, the dreamer. Now don't get me wrong, having big dreams is fantastic, but when those dreams are all talk and no action, it can spell trouble. Dreamers tend to live in a fantasy world, making promises they can't keep and dragging you along for the ride. Number 2, the drama queen or king. Drama seems to follow these individuals like a shadow. They thrive on chaos and conflict, turning even the simplest situations into full-blown crises. Moving in with a drama magnet is like signing up for a never-ending soap opera. Number 3, the moocher. You know the type, always conveniently forgetting their wallet or borrowing without asking. Moving in with a moocher means constantly footing the bill and feeling like you're being taken advantage of. Number 4, the social media addict. In today's digital age, it's easy to get lost in the online world. But when someone's more interested in their Instagram feed than real-life connections, it can be a recipe for loneliness and disconnection. Number 5, the negative Nancy. We all have bad days, but some people seem to revel in pessimism. Moving in with a chronic complainer can drain your energy and leave you feeling constantly down in the dumps. Number 6, the control freak. They say my way or the highway, and they mean it. Living with a control freak can feel suffocating, with every aspect of your life scrutinized and micromanaged. Last but not least, number 7, the ghost. You know, the roommate who's always disappearing without a trace, leaving you to pick up the slack. Living with a ghost can leave you feeling abandoned and frustrated, wondering where they've disappeared to this time. And there you have it, folks. The 7 types of people who are dangerous to move together with. But fear not. Armed with this knowledge, you can navigate the world of roommates, travel buddies, and business partners with confidence. Until next time, stay safe and stay savvy.